What if you could take a room from this to this, and with the added bonus of top quality sound absorption? Custom acoustic paneling? That's what's next in this episode of Technically Katie. Welcome in to Technically Katie. In this episode, I showcase one of the rooms in my house, one of my music rooms, and show you how I added a good deal of sound absorption so I could record professional vocals and voiceovers. But first things first, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay on top of new tech by way of new Technically Katie episodes. All right, now you're probably used to seeing this kind of sound absorption paneling. I installed these panels in one of the rooms of my house, and yeah, they work great. But what if you could add a little bit more pop and go the custom route? Well, there are a number of different services and companies out there, but this is the one that I turned to do some customization, Audimute. I was also feeling a little loyal as an Erie, PA native, and they're right next door in Cleveland, Ohio. Audimute's panels come in a number of styles, from tiles to wall panels to even wood or stone alternatives and flooring options. But again, I wanted to go the more customized, personalized route. My amazing designer Arturo whipped me up some custom graphic requests, and I added in some various size polka dot panels I saw on Audimute's website. You can go from a basic room to this. And not only does it look really cool, the artwork is soundproofing. Now, things to note, you do have to sign that you own the artwork, and putting the panels on the wall, it was a little bit more complicated than the tutorials presented, but in fairness to date, not one of those panels has fallen. Soundproofing, it's not just for music studios either. Acoustic panels can be used for soundproofing offices, restaurants, retail spaces, and even give you sound management options for loud pets. And hey, their products are environmentally engineered and proudly made in the USA from natural or recycled materials. I gotta say, I was impressed with Audimute start to finish, and as for my next song recorded in that very room, stay tuned.